Well, guys, today me and my husband are making a cross for Christmas to go out beside the road. Now, I'm sorry that I forgot to start this video in the process of him making a cross. So we went and got this wood here from the lumber company, and we ordered the lights, which are solar lights, online. Okay. Now, each board was 8 feet. Okay. So he cut them because we didn't want it too tall or too long, because you would have to buy more lights. And this is our decoration for Christmas this year. And when we finish getting it together and put up, I will show you the outcome. So stay tuned. Okay, guys, come with me to the end of my driveway, part of the entrance. We are gonna put this cross on the tree down here by the road, because I love to represent Jesus Christ and remember the reason for the season. Okay, so this is the tree, you guys. At the end of my drive, my husband has drilled it up. We put lights on it, of course, and they are solar. So he drilled them into the tree. So this is my view of coming into my driveway. So this is how you will see the tree as you approach to go to my drive. Okay? So here I'm headed back to my house, and we're gonna get out today because they are solar. We can't see what it's gonna look like until later today. So we took a stroll to get us some good old lunch. We got some good hot French fries, and I just had to have me a barbecue beef po' boy. That's what I had to taste for you guys. So that's what we picked up. Now we are coming back home, and this is the cross. It is so beautiful. So beautiful. It's red, and you can see it in the night light. It's so beautiful, you guys. I hope you love it. Remember to keep Christ in Christmas, because he is the reason for the season. Yes. All right, you guys. Until the next time, I thank you for watching. I thank you for subscribing and liking my channel, because it is steady growing, and it's because of you. So until we see each other again, I want y'all to have a Merry Christmas.